Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Locket Widget. You will go to settings. Here in this list you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Locket Widget and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Locket Widget. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.